Hey guys, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him. Today, I want to talk about this product that I bought on Amazon. Now, I don't get anything for promoting this product. I'm not really promoting this product. I'm just telling you how good it is. I guess that's promoting it, but I'm not doing it for pay or any kind of consideration. I bought these just like anybody else, and they're about 12 bucks for two of them. And these are pretty cool because this is what we're using for storage. We have IKEA cabinets, upper cabinets in the box truck, but we're putting these in here below the cabinets and other places because they're lightweight. And so you know how much gas costs, especially now. I mean, I paid $4.30 for a gallon yesterday. I'm scared to see what it's going to be tomorrow when I leave Saddle Mountains BLM area here in Arizona. So what you get is you get these pouches, and they have a nice little pocket on the side that you can put additional things in: pens, pencils, tape measures, post-its, stuff like that in these side ones. But this one's we use for putting our electronics, like a GoPro, a gimbal, a computer, keyboard, that kind of thing in here, and it works really well. So when you mount it, I use drywall screws, and I just put 3 drywall screws, and I have a strip of plywood behind these so that they're supported pretty well. And I mean just a skinny strip of plywood, 1.5 inches wide. I don't use regular hardwood because, or softwood, or what do you want to call it, pine, because it can split, especially when driving in a vehicle like this. Then this goes inside, but you want to do this after you hang it on the wall. And that is the total of the assembly. That's it. So it's done. Let me show you what kind of things we're putting in it. So here we have them hung below, like I said, below the IKEA cabinet that's upper. And this is actually happens to be above our desk, our fold down desk right here. But so we have 8 of these. That's right, we have 8 of these. I just put 4 more up. And it just makes it really handy because you're right here at the desk, and all you have to do is reach up there and pull something down. And obviously we'll have notebooks in there and things like that in the future. But it really does work out really well. And the brand is YOCICE. So when you're looking it up on Amazon, that's what you look under. You'll get 2 in a package. And the price is like $11.99 or $12.99 right now. You know, that could change, and like I said, I don't get any compensation for this, so I hope this helps you out, keeps your weight low. They only stick out, you know, 4 or 5 inches, so that is also, if space is an issue, it'll help with the space. So this has been another episode of Fit for Expedition. If you like the product reviews that you see on the channel, there's more on the channel, so you can go check them out. I'd appreciate it. Also, subscribe to the channel if you get a chance, and be like the Fonz and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great, because I will definitely get back to you and share these videos with your friends if you think they would enjoy them. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.